I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. When you have to work a long chain and you have to join it without twisting, here's a quick tip on how to do that very easily. Start your foundation chain. And when you've worked a few stitches like this, remove your hook from that stitch, insert it into the very first stitch, and then back into the stitch that you were working. And you're just going to continue to work your foundation chain. Like that, and when your foundation chain is as long as you need it to be, all you have to do is pull it through that very first stitch. And there you'll have your foundation chain joined without a twist. I hope you enjoyed this quick crochet tip. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free. Or on Etsy, HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns.